Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Elise with Elise's Acrylic Pouring. I've been having so much fun doing these swipes, especially with all my new little tools, so I'm going to be doing another one. This is a 12-inch cradled wood board, and I don't know if they have them online like this, but the DickBlick in my local city in Salt Lake City, they had them. They were a bundle of, I think it was 6 for 20 bucks. I was like, what? And they are like good quality wood, and they're pretty thick. So I hopped on that one. That one was, I thought that was such a good deal. So I ran out of white base paint. Only thing I have is this. I got the wrong thing. I got the Walmart Color to Go in semi-gloss, but I got antique white. And look at, like, it's just, I don't know. It's like goopy, if that makes sense. Like, it feels stringy. So I've added some Floetrol to it. It was way thicker than this too. But I added some Floetrol to it and a little bit of water. I don't know. I think that's pretty close to my Sherwin-Williams. Sorry about that. I had to add just a tiny bit more water to the mix because it was pretty thick still. Now I'm going to have a buttload of bubbles. Alright. So, my first color is Copper by Golden. Oops, I wanted to go from right there. Oops, it's okay. My cat is sitting there watching me and she's like, what are you doing? Okay. And then this is Scarlet by PearlEX. I'm trying to get these colors used up. I never use this, I don't think. And it's like a peachy... Oh, Luna! Jeez! It's like a peachy, goldy color, kind of. Alright. And then this is Cappuccino by this little Pigment, little piggies. And then this is Interference Gold by this little Pigment as well. You can get those at fluidart.co. I like the look of when the interference is around the edge, so I'm going to try and get it there instead of the copper on the edge. And then I have Alzarian Crimson Hue by Golden. this is my self mix, that Bahama Mama by Color Art and Carmen. Really pretty, bright orangey color. Oops. Okay, and then this is Pomegranate by Color Art. Alright, and then the last color is Metallic Orange by Artist Loft. And then I also put in PBO's Iridescent Orange Yellow. I think that's what it's called, or Yellow Orange. Ooh. Alright, let's see how that does. Okay. So I'm going to do a white and black cell activator. Okay, so I have it like that. And then I'm going to put the white in the center. Eek! I'm a little nervous. Oops. go. Ugh. Where'd my little stick go? Hi everyone, so I just kind of wanted to chime in here for a intro instead of intro. I'm so silly. But anyways, I just wanted to say that I am very, very pleased with that Artist Loft, the professional series brand. I use the carbon black as a cell activator and I love it. It works really good. So thank you from Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. If you don't know who she is, I have a link for her channel in the bio. She's amazing. Great artist. And yeah, so here's the flash on. Oh my goodness, she's just so pretty. And I made 3 6x6 kind of to match this one. The exact same colors, I just did different movements of the swipe and it turned out really good. So look forward to that next video. I lost a lot of the really pretty cells. I was really sad, but it always seems like the pretty cells are on the end. So you always lose them, but it is what it is. It's still gorgeous. I'm happy with it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day. Bye.